What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to connect a phone to a 2017 Nissan Titan using Bluetooth. So you'll need the vehicle either on or running, and I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. The first thing you want to do is go into your phone's settings, go into the Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, I'm going to come over here and press the phone button right here. And that's going to take me to this screen. And then I'm going to click Connect. And now we want to click Connect New Device. But if your Connect New Device is a little bit darker, kind of darkened out like how the phone settings one looks right here, that probably means that there's too many devices connected already. So if you're not able to click on Connect New Device, it's kind of darkened out. First, go into Delete Connected Device, and then delete one or more devices. And then we'll come back to this screen and click Connect New Device. Now I'm going to take a look at my phone screen, and it's going to pop up as My Titan. Go ahead and click on that. Then we want to make sure that this PIN number here matches the PIN number on our center screen, and it does, so I'm going to click Pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set any of that up right now, but as you can see, we're now connected, and we can make calls. If you want to listen to music from your phone, what you'll do is come over here and press the aux button until it takes you to the Bluetooth audio. You'll be able to play your music from there. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.